What is Persistent Staging Area or PSA? Purpose of PSA. The Persistent Staging Area is the inbound storage area for data from the source systems in the BI system. The requested data is saved, unchanged from the source system. Requested data is stored in the transfer structure format in transparent, relational database tables of the BI system in which the requested data is stored in the format of the data source. The data format remains unchanged, meaning that no summarization or transformations take place, as is the case with InfoCubes. The possible coupling of the load process from the further processing in BI contributes to an improved load performance. The operative system is not debited if data errors first appear with further processing. The PSA delivers the backup status for the ODS layer, until the total staging process is confirmed. The duration of the data storage in the PSA is medium-term, since the data can still be used for reorganization. However, for updates to data store objects, data is stored only for the short term. Now listen what are features of PSA. A transparent PSA table is created for every data source that is activated. The PSA tables each have the same structure as their respective data source. They are also flagged with key fields for the request ID, the data package number, and the data record number. Info packages load the data from the source into the PSA. The data from the PSA is processed with data transfer processes, DTP. With the context menu entry manage for a data source in the data warehousing workbench, you can go to the PSA maintenance for data records of a request or delete request data from the PSA table of this data source. You can also go to the PSA maintenance from the monitor for requests of the load process. Using partitioning, you can separate the dataset of a PSA table into several smaller, physically independent, and redundancy-free units. This separation can mean improved performance when you update data from the PSA. Now there is constraints regarding PSA, which is: the number of fields is limited to a maximum of 255 when using TRFCs to transfer data. The length of the data record is limited to 1962 bytes when you use TRFCs. Please visit our website saplearningacademy.com for more information. Also please subscribe this video for early notification and more videos.